Let's break down the key points about the criminal justice system. The process. The criminal justice process involves several stages, from initial contact to post-release. Here's an overview. 1. Initial contact. Police officers respond to calls, investigate crimes, and make arrests. 2. Investigation. Police gather evidence to build a case against a suspect. 3. Arrest. Police take a suspect into custody if they have probable cause. 4. Custody. The suspect is booked and held in jail or released on bail. 5. Charging. The prosecutor decides whether to file charges and presents the case to a grand jury or preliminary hearing. 6. Arraignment. The defendant is formally advised of the charges and enters a plea. 7. Plea bargaining. The prosecution and defense negotiate a potential plea deal. 8. Trial. The case is presented in court and a verdict is reached. 9. Sentencing. The defendant is sentenced to a punishment such as prison or probation. 10. Appeal. The defendant can appeal the conviction or sentence. 11. Correctional treatment. The defendant serves their sentence and may participate in rehabilitation programs. 12. Release. The defendant is released from custody and may be on parole or probation. 13. Post-release. The defendant reintegrates into society and may receive support services. Key players. Police officers. Enforce laws, investigate crimes, and make arrests. Prosecutors. Present the case against the defendant and negotiate plea deals. Defense attorneys. Represent the defendant and advocate for their rights. Judges. Preside over the trial, ensure due process, and sentence the defendant. Correctional officers. Oversee the defendant's incarceration and rehabilitation. Challenges and issues. Overcrowding and underfunding. Prisons and jails are often overcrowded and underfunded. Racial disparities. There are significant racial disparities in the criminal justice system. Rehabilitation versus punishment. There is ongoing debate about the purpose of the criminal justice system and the effectiveness of rehabilitation programs. Reentry. Defendants often struggle to reintegrate into society after release from custody. By understanding the different stages and players in the criminal justice system, we can work towards creating a more effective and just system for everyone.